So welcome back guys to something kind of different. Remember, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Twitter's kind of okay, but I'm a little bit rubbish at that. But I thought for today that we would do something a little bit interesting and something which I think you guys would like. So what I've done is teamed up again with the guys at Shaw Harley Davidson, and I've taken out a couple of their bikes, and we're going to do some sun tests? Sun tests? Not the right place. We're going to do some sound tests on different types of models with the different types of exhausts that they have. What I will do is make sure that in the description for all the exhaust systems that we do a sound test on, I'll put exactly what they are, where you can get them from, and if I can find it, how much that exhaust system costs as well. But let me know what you think about the sound demos, if you like it, if you don't like it, what you're running on that particular model. But without further ado, let's drop my intro and let's get into it. Okay guys, so what we've got here is the 2018 Fat Bob with the S&S silencer on it. So let's do a quick sound test.